OnePlus 6T already comes and will be the first OnePlus phone to have an innovative fingerprint scanner on the screen. The company confirmed the presence of the fingerprint reader on the screen on its next flagship phone. OnePlus has named the new screen unlock feature and is expected to help OnePlus minimize the bezel of the screen and eliminate the drawbacks of a fingerprint scanner positioned on the back. This new type of fingerprint scanner is actually embedded under the screen, and its implementation means that OnePlus had to redesign the interior of the 6T and make it a little thicker. It is expected to be 0.45 mm thicker. OnePlus had thought about using a fingerprint reader on the screen in the OnePlus 5T, but the technology was not mature enough at that time, and now the company is confident it can work well. The other great news about OnePlus 6T is that it will be the first OnePlus phone officially sold in a major U.S. operator. T-Mobile will take the OnePlus 6T, which will help the company gain a wider foothold in the U.S. market.